Is your ACR-I card lost? Don't panic. Here's what you can do in a few simple steps. Losing your ACR-I card, your alien certificate and registration identity card, can be stressful. I know firsthand because I recently realized that mine was missing. So don't worry. Follow these 4 steps and get a replacement smoothly and stress-free. A quick tip before we get started. You almost never need your ACR card unless you're opening a bank account or taking care of something that's visa related. So my suggestion would be don't carry it around. Keep it put up safe with your passport. Or first you need to type up a letter of request for re-issuance of your I-card. You have to have this request letter notarized. Then you need to type up an Affidavit of Loss. You also have to have this notarized. And you have to explain how you lost your I-card. Then you have to report the loss. Go to your nearest police station and file a police report as proof of the loss. You make copies of your passport bio page, your latest entry stamp, and the visa implementation page. Alright, so then you're going to go to your nearest BI office and request for a replacement. You need to bring your letter request for reissuance, your police report, your affidavit of loss, and your original passport and the photocopies. You'll pay the fees. The cost varies, so you need to check the BI website for the fee schedule. But I hate to bring bad news to you. If you've lost your I-card, you're going to be spending about 7,000 pesos. Then you just wait for the processing. It'll take a few weeks, so you need to keep your BI receipt as temporary proof while you're waiting for your new card. And that's it. As long as you stay calm and act fast to avoid legal complications, losing your I-card is inconvenient, but you just follow these steps and you'll get right back on track. Alright guys, until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and as always, stay curious. Thanks for watching. See ya.